Welcome back to my channel AS Biology. There are millions of species living on Earth. They possess millions of different traits. Most were inherited from their parents. But some traits are new. The blueprint for their unique development resides deep within the nucleus of their cells. In an amazing molecule called DNA. Many scientists have struggled to learn the secrets of inheritance. Though their dedication, they succeed. Today, the science of genetics is transforming the world. Several diseases are being treated by us. Whether we like it or not, join me to explore genetics. Thank you so much for watching this video.